Hello, good day. I am Almara Mayligan Parnes, 20 years old and currently living at Chatagon, Lianga, Surigao del Sur. I obtained my Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Surigao del Sur State University, Lianga campus. I am applying as a web developer to your respective company. I am lucky-go-lucky person. I am friendly and honest to my works. I know how to speak English, Tagalog, and Visayan. I gained great experience that developed my skills in communication. And I also know some programming languages like C, C++, JavaScript, CSS, and Rapid PHP. I already have work experience as a trainee for my on-the-job training at Municipal Assessor's Office at Lianga Municipal Hall, Lianga, Surigao del Sur. In my college days, I attended a seminar on Android application development for 2 days. I believe that I have the ability that will guarantee you and will suit to your qualification. For further information, you can contact me at my number 0948-8598-820 or on my email account almeramayparnes@yahoo.com. Godspeed.